So today I'm working with Code Beautiful and I am using this product here, FFL. They've asked me to use some of this under my normal mascara just to show you what difference it makes. So the mascara I'm using is the number 17 in brown Extreme Extension Lengthening Mascara. So what I'm going to do is put some of the FFL on my eyelashes and show you what difference it makes to this. So this is the product, Code Beautiful, as I said. And it's like a primer for your eyelashes. So it's a really good product if you've only got short lashes or sparse lashes, because it just builds your natural lash up before you put the colour on with your own mascara. So as you can see, it's only nude, you can't really see the product. You can see it as it goes on, but to look at me there, you can't really tell I've got it on. So I've just used a couple of coats there. It's now dry, so I'm now going to put my own mascara on the top. And as you can see, my lashes are looking very long. So that's it on. Look at that, just my own lashes there. Can't believe how many there is at the bottom. Looks like I've got extra, I've put extra little individual lashes on, but I've not. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So I'll put all the details in the description box down below for this product. They sell lots of other bits as well, some really nice makeup products. So it's Code Beautiful, FFL, Forget Fake Lashes. Brilliant.